Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and though I love using my phone, sometimes I like to see it on the big screen, and that's why I really like this JSAUX HDMI to USB-C cord. Now you may think, Brittany, you could just Bluetooth or pair your phone with your TV, which is true, but I have learned there are certain apps that will not let you share what it is showing on your phone screen to the TV. There's a specific workout app that I like to use, and I don't want to have to be crooking my neck down to try and see this tiny little person doing a workout and me trying to follow them. I would like to be able to look at it on my TV, and that's why I was so excited to find this cord. So to use it, you just take the cord. If you already have an HDMI cable connected to your TV, that's great. You unplug whatever it's connected to, plug in the adapter, plug that into anything that takes a USB-C. For me, that's my phone. I connect that. You can then click on the small rectangle that's in the corner of your phone that basically turns your phone into a remote. The screen will go black with a square grid. So then you go to your apps, you open it up, open up any app that you want. For me, I want my workout app. You click on that, select it, and now I can work out. It was so exciting to finally be able to do my workouts that I've been struggling to watch on my phone, now on my TV. So I think if you're someone who has been struggling like me to get certain apps to show up on your TV, this is the solution to your problem. And that's my point of view.